Hi there, this is Ranjit, and if you're following the tech news, now the price of this Nokia 8 has fallen. When I did the unboxing of this video around October 2017, it was launched in India for 37,000 rupees, and now the price has dropped to 29,000. I just checked the price on Amazon India, and it's reflecting the new price, that is 29,000. So now it's almost 8,000 rupees less. So does the Nokia 8 make sense now? I'm going to talk about it in this video. And first, let's talk about some of the good things that I liked about the Nokia 8. Again, if you want to know more about the Nokia 8, watch the unboxing video that I had posted earlier. Again, it's powered with a Snapdragon 835 chipset. It comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. So in terms of processing power, it has ample processing power. It is having the latest Snapdragon 835 chipset. But again, the screen aspect ratio is still that old one, 16:9, not the new ones like the OnePlus 5T, etc. So that is one thing. So it has a little bit of big bezels, but again, in terms of build quality, I liked what Nokia is offering, so that hasn't changed. But now some of the things that I've noticed, and these are the things that I liked about the Nokia 8, is that it came out of the box with the Android Nougat 7.1, but it quickly got the Android Oreo update, and I have been continuously getting software, monthly updates also on this one. So in terms of security updates and quickly updating to Android version, Nokia is keeping up its promise. So that's a good thing, I would say. Moving to the camera, when I tested this earlier, when it was on Nougat 7.1, after Oreo, I didn't test the camera again. At that time, I compared it with the OnePlus 5T. I had already posted a video about that. Again, link for that video is over here. I'll leave a card. In that, clearly the OnePlus 5 was doing better than this one, and I was sort of disappointed because this has the Carl Zeiss optics, but now it has got some new updates, so I'll have to check again how it is and see how it compares to the new OnePlus 5T, because now we have the new OnePlus 5T. Now, I would say now the nearest competitor now with the new pricing now, as it is at 29,000, its nearest competitors would be this Honor View 10. This is available, I think so, I recall, for 30,000. But on this one, we are getting 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. Remember, with the Nokia 8, we are getting 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of storage. And again, we also have the OnePlus 5T. This is the new version 5T with the new screen aspect ratio 18:9. And this one, the base variant, that is for 33,000, comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. In terms of storage, I would say I would give slight edge again to the Nokia 8, because this has a hybrid SIM solution, so you can technically put a micro SD card slot if you want to expand the storage. Again, in terms of storage, definitely the Honor View 10 will go ahead, because the Honor View 10 is having that massive 128 gigabytes of internal storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM. So the thing is that what do you guys actually think about the Nokia 8 now? Do you guys think I should do a review for this now, as the price has fallen? I'm slightly confused, because we know that MWC is there at end of this month, and probably Nokia might be launching the Nokia 9, which is the successor to this Nokia 8, and I feel that will have cutting edge specs and the new screen aspect ratio. Like, everyone is now going with this 18:9. It'll also go with that, and some other bells and whistles, maybe higher RAM storage options. So what do you think? Does it make sense for me to review this Nokia 8 now at this reduced price, that is 29,000? I'm a little bit confused, so I'll just leave a poll over here, so you guys let me know, because currently I've been testing this Honor View 10, almost finished my testing. After 2 days, I'll finish my testing with this one, so I can pop in my primary SIM back into this Nokia 8 to do a re-review with this Oreo update and see if the camera performance, etc., have improved or not. So do let me know, do vote. So it'll be based on your votes. If you think I should spend time on it, I will do a re-review. Otherwise, I'll let it go. But again, guys, what do you think about the Nokia 8 at this new price point of rupees 29,000? Do leave your thoughts and comments in the YouTube comment section below. And if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.